Hello there! Lily Jill Vegas again!
Wow!
Hi, kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Nandito ako sa bahay. Nandito ako sa bahay ng aking mga pinsan. Here. These are my friends. Yan si Carmi. Gusto mo shout out si Panda?
Hey, Panda! How are you? How there you are?
Toby! Meron kaming aso dito. Super cute. O, si Toby. Hi, Toby! 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 Ayan, si Ruby. Bagong hair. Very nice. Flex mo na yan. This is my crazy cousin right here.
Hey!
Yeah, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Over.
Wow, what is that?
This is the ginataan.
Oh, with
hipon?
hipon?
With hipon, yeah. Ginataan with hipon and then hot dog, meatballs, squid balls, fish, hot dog. Ano yan? Fish? What is that? Fish what?
A fishbowl and a salted eggs.
Salted egg.
Hello? Hindi na kami nakapagdala ha. Uy, bro. Sabi ko makalit na
So, ganyan lang ang life namin dito.
Bahay pa na puno-puno.
Yeah. Ganyan lang life namin dito, oh. Ayan.
Hey Panda, how are you? Where are you? I hate you. Why are you not coming?
Ano?
Hey, Bobo.
So, ang sabi nila, dapat you guys like and then subscribe.
Correct.
If not, you're not pretty. Right? No, just kidding. Hi mga kachada. Hi to my family in Cagayan de Oro.
Ayo, ayo.
Take care.
Ayo, ayo.
Day off namin kaya we're having fun right here. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Shout out sa family ni Carmi sa Bulacan, sa sister niya si Joanne. Hi! Hey!
Hello there. Shout out sa...
Ikaw, Ruby. Wala yung shout out.
Magsama ni Mariel.
Hindi nga.
Ang ingay siguro pag nagsama kayo na rin. Kasi parehas kayong vlogger eh.
Really?
Reels, reels.
Reels ba?
Reels, reels. Kung mga work.
Oh, hindi ako, no. Hey, I'm not gonna say anything. Bye!
Yan yung magti-tiktok kayo.
Ikaw, Ruby, ano masasabi mo? Mag-hi ka naman sa mga friends ko. Hi sa mga friends ko, madam. Mga taga Cagayan de Oro, all over the world. Hi.
Hello there.
Yeah, di ba? Ito si ate, oh, tingnan mo. Sarap ng iluluto niya. Nakakamiss kasi. Tusok-tusok.
Mechanic.
Look at this. This is ginataang shrimp and fish. Looks so good. And then this is adobong pusit right here. Ooh. Yeah. Hi guys, hope everybody is well over there. Hi to all my friends in the Philippines and Cagayan de Oro here in the US. Hi to who else? Hi to everybody that's watching my vlog.
Yes, vlogger.
And then if you if you want to subscribe, if you want to like, do it. If not, okay lang din. Kawawa, umihingi ng followers. But anyway, hope everybody is okay and having a good time. And look at this lady here. This lady is pretty, but she is masiba. Look at the rice.
Masiba, just like her.
No, not anymore. I changed. Yeah, not anymore. You know what, guys? I used to eat so much rice, and then I just wake up one day and I said to myself, no, I have to, what do you call this? Kailangan ko nang bawasan yung rice intake ko. Di ba rice is life? But for me, it's not anymore. I'm trying to, I'm trying to change na and try to eat healthy. Ano pa ba? Ano pa mga ganap-ganap ni Jan ngayon?
Secret. advice.
Yeah, more on story, more on experiences.
Like a podcast.
Yeah, I know. Masaya ako ngayon, guys, kasi nakita ko si Carmi. It's been a while we haven't seen each other.
Wow.
This is one of my BFF
For how
in
many
Prem.
years?
Yan, oh. Kaokrayan ko to. So, pareho kami ng takbo ng utak nito. Okray.
Ngayon ko lang napansin talaga magpinsang kayo ni ate.
Really?
What do you mean? Kasi nung una kayo nakita, hindi ko,
Really? Hawig kami. Sino mas maganda? Ako?
parehas naman.
Yes, ate!
Reject tayo.
Baka pag sinabi si Jigs na, baka hindi ka pakainin eh.
Ayan si Carmi, oh, kunwari, kumain siya, di ba, konti lang, tapos mamaya, ang dami na niyan, bundok ang rice niyan.
Grabe
Ayan, oh.
siya. Hindi ka kain ng rice?
Hindi, anak.
Nag-banana lang yun.
Hindi, ano lang ako, saba. Kain ka na.
Ang sarap nung
So, yun lang ang ganap namin ngayon, guys. Masaya.
Mamaya ulit.
Mamaya ulit. Bye,
Sayang
guys!
hindi kayo naka-
Kaya nga eh.
Uwi kasi siya Pilipinas.
Blood mo sana.
Kaya nga eh. Ay, mga kachada, next time
Ano
ulit.
sa tsada?
It's like nice. That's, So, if you say
Parang
chada, nagkwento ako sa kanya. So, what is chada? So, chada is a regional word in Cagayan de Oro. So, when you heard somebody's talking, like saying chada, it means they're from Cagayan de Oro. Yun yung parang ano namin, trademark na. Yeah, that's a
You
trademark.
don't like kachaka?
Hi, mga kachaka, no! It's, hi, mga kachada, gagato. Alright, guys. I think that's it for today.
Bye mga kachaka!
Bye, mga kachada. See you again. This medyo may kachaka daw. Pong.
Bye mga kachaka!
Live ba yan?
Yeah. No, hindi. Ano lang to? Vlog lang to.
So, pwede mo pa siya edit eh.
Yeah. Hi, mga kachada. Bye-bye.
Hi,
Thank
mga
you.
kachararat.
Tingnan Tingnan mo mga friends ko. Di ba maganda sila? Bye, everyone. God bless you. This is Toby.
Bye!
Bye, guys.
What's happening?
Bye. Happy lang kami dito. Happy lang kami dito because we're off today. And then tomorrow, they're gonna
Yeah,
work.
mahirap
but I am
magsabay-sabay
off.
ng ano dito
Yeah.
ng off.
Mahirap magsabay-sabay pala ng off dito sa
Kung
US,
hindi pa
guys.
ano si ate.
Yeah. Actually, hindi naman
Hindi
off.
niya off eh.
Hindi off ni ate, right? No, I think ate is off. I'm not off today, supposedly. You're off, right? And then Carmi just get off from work. Tapos ako, I'm not really off. Meron lang certain things na asikasuhin kaya I'm
It's
here.
meant to be na
Yeah.
magkasama.
And it's really meant to be tonight na we're together. But yeah, we're so happy that we get together today. But I think that's it for tonight, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. God bless you all. Please like and subscribe. This is Little G of Vegas again. Till next time. Bye. Bye, ate. Bye-bye na, ate. Bye, Ruby. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye sa mga kababayan natin dyan all over the world. See you. Bye. Peace, love.